Hi, I'm Sally. In today's economy, many people are facing financial challenges that seem insurmountable. The problems of inflation, job insecurity, mass immigration, and housing unaffordability are on the rise, leaving individuals feeling overwhelmed and unsure of how to secure their financial future. But there is a solution, one that doesn't require relying on the government for help. Inflation is a silent killer, eroding the value of our hard-earned money and making it more difficult to afford everyday expenses. Job insecurity is at an all-time high, with layoffs and cutbacks becoming more common in today's competitive workforce. And housing prices are skyrocketing, leaving many people unable to afford a place to call home. If you feel this way, so did I. I felt as if there was nobody to help me. But I found a way to protect myself and my family from these financial challenges. The answer lies in learning a new skill that can not only help you survive, but thrive in today's economy. Now there is a powerful tool that can help you generate passive income and build a successful online business. By partnering with companies to promote their products and services, you can earn commissions on sales and build a steady stream of income that can provide financial security for you and your loved ones. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing the way we do business, allowing us to automate tasks, analyze data, and make informed decisions with unprecedented speed and accuracy. By harnessing the power of AI, you can supercharge your affiliate marketing efforts and achieve success beyond your wildest dreams. It's time to take charge of your destiny and embrace the power of affiliate marketing and artificial intelligence. The future is yours for the taking. All you need to do is reach out and grab it. Just fill in your information and immediately receive some expensive bonuses.